Hey guys, what's up? My name's Jordan. This is my first YouTube video ever, so bear with me. I'm coming at you today with an unboxing. So I ordered this package. I'm not going to show you the front because it has all my information on it, but I ordered this package from Farfetch. Oddly enough, it came from Saudi Arabia, so came definitely far overseas. This is a new SLG I purchased, and for those of you who don't know, I created this channel to go over luxury items, specifically handbags, SLGs, give my reviews. I don't own a ton as is, but I would be happy to give you a review on the ones that I do own. Also, I do have a fun item coming in the mail, so stay tuned for that. But like I said, this video is going to be an unboxing of a small SLG that I ordered recently. I don't think they sell this particular item anymore. I had a hard time finding this one. That's why I think it came from so far away. But anyways, let's get into it. So I'm gonna cut it open. I actually don't have scissors on me. So I am going to be using my boyfriend's knife. Like pocket knife, I guess. It's the only thing I have near me. But yeah, it actually came really fast. I ordered it, I want to say like last week-ish. And it came really pretty quickly, especially for how far it traveled. I'm super excited. I actually don't have any item that's of this color, so this will be a cool one to add to the collection. Sorry, this one's they really packed it well. So let's see if I can get it open here. Not familiar with this kind of box, of course. So hopefully I can get it open so we can actually do the review. Let's see here. You might just see me struggle for a very long time, so let's just keep on trying. There we go, making some headway here. Oh, sorry, let me show that side. Okay, we're getting in there. So, yeah, they packaged this really well. I think I kind of just destroyed the box though, so hopefully we love it. Okay, so it came in this green wrapping. The place that it came from it's a store in Saudi Arabia. I'm not familiar with it, to be honest, and I could be pronouncing this completely wrong, but I think it's Rubaiyat. It's R-U-B-A-I-Y-A-T. It's listed there. So yeah, it came in this green packaging. Can any of you guess what brand it is by chance? Pretty popular brand. Oh wow, they packaged it very nicely. Wow. So it is a Saint Laurent item, and it came in this. I've actually never seen them package it in plastic before. Normally I just get a box with tissue, so that's kind of a nice touch, I would say. Okay, so you just kind of peel this part open. Try to do this as delicately as possible. Sorry if this is loud. Yeah, it's kind of cool that they packaged it in this, so in case it got wet or in transit, I don't know. All right, so here's the box. Very beautiful, as you can see. Yeah, I love that. I love the Saint Laurent logo. I just think it's very clean and timeless. So it does have a number, and so when you open it up, it has the little bag, the little Saint Laurent bag in here. I guess I should say first that it did come with my order number and all of that. And actually it came with this little thank you card from the shop. It's called, it says it on the back, Rubaiyat, wishing you to stay safe, which is kind of nice. I don't know if you can see that, but it has their card, and it looks like it's got it in the other language. I'm not really quite sure what language that is. I'm sorry. Okay, so nonetheless, here's the bag that comes inside the box. I love dust bags. I always keep my SLGs in dust bags, stuffed when I'm not using them, just to kind of keep them in pristine condition. All right. Oh, it's beautiful. So this is the actual item. This is a little tag, so don't mind that. But so it's actually a nude wallet. It's the, let me see what the exact name is. It's the Saint Laurent Signature Chevron Quilt wallet. And the color that I got it in is dark beige. And like I said, I don't think that they carry this. It might have been on the website, but I think it was sold out if I remember correctly. And then I looked at a bunch of other websites and I couldn't find this anymore. And it might not be picking up the correct tone with the more kind of yellowy walls I have here, but it is like a really nice, kind of like a nude taupey color. It matches a lot of their other like wallet on a chains, the dark beige color. This is pretty true to that. I did have one of those in this color, but I sold it. So yeah, so it has the logo right on front. It's a polished YSL logo. I love their logo. I think it's extremely timeless, stunning, gorgeous. This is it's the Grain de Poudre, I think that's how you say it. It's kind of like pebbly. It's a very durable material. It's not a soft material, so you don't have to worry about like nails or, you know, getting scratched up. This is a lot more durable. So when you open it, so it opens this way, and I purchased it actually from Farfetch. I don't know if I mentioned that in this video. It came from Farfetch online, and then they kind of picked the distributor, and so this was the store in Saudi Arabia that actually had it. So on the inside it has the Farfetch logo, or a little tag I should say. And then on further inspection, it has it looks like the Ruby yacht. It's the kind of like the model number card that kind of tells the information about it. Yeah, and it has their kind of pricing on it. So yeah, you open it up, and what I love about this wallet is I am the type of person who loves wallets that open kind of like this. I had a wallet from Kate Spade forever ago that did the same thing. It opened up, it had the vertical card slots, and that was one of my most used wallets. So I knew when I saw this that this was the wallet for me. Also, YSL makes a lot of the kind of like envelope style wallets, and I had the wallet on the chain that was that same kind of envelope design, and I actually didn't like that. And the reason being is the corner of the envelope with wear and tear, it kind of, the material rubs off. And so that I knew, you know, with a wallet being in a bag and jostling around, like I knew that long term, that corner was probably gonna get the wear and tear and I wouldn't like it. It does have the corners up here that I kind of have to be careful with, but it just seemed like the style was more practical for me. And also, I didn't really like how with the envelope ones, it was kind of just like a one pocket. So you'd kind of have to put all your cards together and then take them out and try to find which one you wanted. This I like because you see all your cards here. And to go further into it, it has 4 card slots on each side, which 8 cards I think is pretty decent amount to hold for such a kind of compact wallet that this is. And then on this side, there's a deeper pocket here, so you could add more cards if you wanted to. And then also on this side, there's another one. So I just kind of thought this had a really great layout for me personally. The top is an actual billfold, so you can store all of your bills, receipts, anything like that that you might want to store in there. And then on this side, there's actually a zipper slot. So it's very compact. It's very like practical of a style. So in here you can store all of your coins or anything else that you wouldn't want to fall out. So yeah, I really kind of just love the design of this. I think the color is actually so beautiful. I'll try to maybe put it against my sweater. Maybe you can see it more. It's hard with the walls, I'm sorry. But I love the color, love the design. I love the size of it. It's a great just on-the-go wallet. I think it can be dressed up or dressed down. The next item that's coming in the mail is a bigger item, and I think this is gonna look great with it. So stay tuned for that review. I'll do an unboxing on that. And I can also do a wear and tear video once I've had this for a little bit to see if you guys wanna see that. One last thing that I should probably touch on is the price of this. So it was listed at $475, and that was the price that it was on YSL as well. I was fortunate enough, I had a coupon code, so I ended up getting it for about $4.27. So I did save some money on it, which, you know, if you can save money, it's all the better. So yeah, so I would say I'm really happy with the purchase. I'm really happy from purchasing from Farfetch. Like I said, it came in super, super fast. The other item I ordered actually probably about a week and a half before this, and this one came in and it shipped all the way from Saudi Arabia. So, I mean, that's just crazy. So, yeah, like I said, if you want to see a review on this, please let me know. I can do wear and tear, kind of my thoughts as I start to use it. And thank you so much for watching and coming across my channel. And if you have any other video requests, feel free to enter them below. Or also, if any of you have this wallet, tell me what you think of it. Or if you do have the envelope wallet, do you like that one better? Or how's the wear and tear on it? And yeah, I'll also be doing a kind of get to know me video coming up here soon, just so you can get to know a little bit more about me. So yeah, bye guys.